In this video, you will learn how to use Pikzels AI to generate attention-grabbing thumbnails for your YouTube content. So here you have the thumbnail feature. You can click on it and you can prompt a detailed description to generate a thumbnail. The more detail you can give it, the better the thumbnail will be. So in this example, I'm going to copy and paste a prompt I have saved earlier to generate a attention-grabbing thumbnail for one of the videos. So for this example, I have this prompt created. I'm going to copy it and paste it right in here. Please create a YouTube thumbnail that shows a person running towards the camera frantically in the middle with the forest in the background. He is wearing hiking gear and appears scared. In the background, there are bears chasing him. So when we generate this, it's going to take 10 credits. So let's hit generate. And now we're going to wait for Pikzels to finish generating. Okay, now we have this thumbnail that looks pretty good. Okay, that's something that most AI tools out there cannot do this. Now we can also hit redo for it to generate something that's slightly different, a different version, or we can click on edit, and what we want to do now is just to make the image more photorealistic. So we can type in, let's make the image more photorealistic, and let's hit generate and see what we get. See, right now we have another version and this looks pretty good. Now let's come over here to recreate. Now this feature is extremely powerful because you can use this to reference a thumbnail that you like, and you can also upload a static thumbnail to reference. And on the bottom it says inspiration weight. Depending on which one you select, the high setting gives you the most one-to-one. Basically, it's going to copy exactly what the reference thumbnail is going to look like. And I highly recommend using the high setting to create a thumbnail. And also on the bottom, you can also add in some edits and to make the thumbnail slightly different. And that's optional. For this example, I'm going to reference a YouTube video with a thumbnail that I want to copy. So in this case, I want to copy this thumbnail that I think is pretty cool. So we're going to click on the video. On top, we're going to copy the URL, and we're going to go back to Pikzels. On here, we're going to select link, and here we're going to copy the YouTube URL. And we're going to select high and hit generate. And now Pikzels will reference the thumbnail from the YouTube videos and generate a different version. Now Pikzels has completely generated a different version of the thumbnail, and it looks pretty good. The text, the texture, the theme, the color, pretty much is exactly what this thumbnail looks like. And this is great for, you can create hundreds and hundreds of thumbnails with just a few mouse clicks without having, and that will save you a lot of money hiring on Fiverr or Upworks. Now let's check out the face swap feature. What I like about the face swap feature is that you can upload any image, any thumbnail you want, and then replace the face you want to swap to. So in this example, we're going to download this thumbnail and we're going to change Jason's face into someone else's. So down here we're going to hit upload file, and we're going to upload a face that we want Pikzels to swap to. So for this example, we have an image of Donald Trump. We're going to swap Jason's face with Donald's. So let's hit generate, and this takes up only 3 credits. What I like about the face swap feature is that you can take something that people can recognize, like a thumbnail, and then just swap the face to make it look just slightly odd. That weirdness is going to give people the curiosity to click on your thumbnail. Something that's very subtle, very simple. Now we have the new thumbnail generated. The image stays the same as before, but the face is now swapped. Look at how cool this is. And you can do that with any thumbnails out there. You can use Pikzels AI to generate custom thumbnail, or to copy a thumbnail, or to swap faces. So Pikzels is extremely powerful to generate custom thumbnails and to recreate thumbnails that you like by adding a reference photo for it to generate. And you can also use the face swap feature to swap any faces you want to make your image pop out and to make it unique. A free plan version for you to try out if you only need a couple thumbnails. But if you're doing this for a YouTube automation channel where you need hundreds of thumbnails, this is a absolutely best options out there to save you a tons of money. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, I have left a link to Pikzels in the description, and thanks for watching.